Hello everyone, Seb's Wonkin here, and today, yeah, we did make a new thing. So, what you're seeing right here is supposed to be the 1977, I think, trying to make 1977 Chuck E. Cheese, like just a half-body character. I really sucked, but I'm gonna say something after this video, so stay tuned for that, because every single cool hip YouTuber does that. His movements, I remember the newer Chuck E. Cheese had one of the half-body new Chuck E. Cheeses. They had uh, uh, their head could go up and down. This one doesn't. It can only go, but his body can turn. And how that works is that down here, that turns, and then that plugs into here. By the way, I did destroy the second generation Duke to make this. Rip Duke. His bow tie functions as a point of articulation. The arm could come out like that, and then it can go up. Have 3 movements, and then I can, and then because I remember how one of those looked like they went like this. He went like Chuck E. Cheese went like this, and then the hand went up like that. But I don't know how to make that. That's like, I've done that. I did do that, but like I noticed that it came out. I'm stupid. But his mouth opens. Jeez, you cannot see it. The lighting is terrible. Oh, he's eating Earl's head. How amazing. Look, watch, he'll eat it. Oh, come on! Wait. Okay, he's good. I thought the jaw broke, because that's what's been happening. A really weak part to this thing, which I really just cannot stand, is that this part right here goes into this piece. So they both connect like that. This is really loose. And I think I just broke him. Okay, lovely. I'll be back in a second. Okay, he's back, and I think you can see about the arm is... I don't like this arm because it just looks off. I'm feeling really nitpicky, and I sort of hurting my brain. But the other part is the little microphone. That could go up, down, then the hand could go up like that. Last part of articulation, his head. Okay, no, I have to put it over here because my camera completely freaking sucks. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm pissed off because this thing took me a long time to get all the stuff right. I had to do all this, do all that. I'm mad because I don't know how to put it. This keeps on falling off. You know, all around I just hate it. It's like really loose. Well, bye. Hope you like this. Guys, I just now fixed it. So now there's that green little plate there that will help this do that. So, bye.